Fish and chips and vinegar, vinegar, vinegar.
Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today I'm diving into one of life's greatest mysteries. What's the ultimate sauce for the chips with your fish and chips? Now, I know everyone has their favorites, but stick with me. I'm about to reveal a game changer. Picture this, a crispy golden piece of fried fish, steaming hot, and right beside it, a mound of perfectly cooked French fries. But what's missing? The sauce, of course. First up, ketchup. Although popular, tomato ketchup typically contains 1 teaspoon of sugar per tablespoon of ketchup. That's a lot of sugar. Next up, malt vinegar. Great on the fish, but a sour punch on the fries. So what else? Some might say yes, but let's explore a bit further. How about gravy? But it's just too runny and makes a mess. Also, chips with gravy requires a knife and fork, which, as my subscribers know, is not my preference. Let me introduce you to something a bit different. Mustard with black pepper. Well, okay, maybe not. Mayonnaise on chips, meanwhile, is an import from continental Europe, likely originating in Belgium. It's bold, it's creamy, and it's unforgettable. Even better is the UK version from Heinz called salad cream. But here's the twist. What if I told you the real perfect partner for your French fries? Well, it's curry sauce. Yes, curry sauce is the ideal accomplishment. Oh, I know it's running, but it's so delicious. Next time you're enjoying your fish and chips, give it a try and let me know if it steals your heart too. Incidentally, have you ever had a chip butty? Yes, a chip butty, very popular in the UK, and it was the favorite of the Beatles. Well, it's 2 thick slices of buttered bread, and between them, a load of French fries covered in ketchup. Bloody lovely. Until next time, keep your meals delicious.